Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey of creativity and sustainability. Our mission is to inspire you to see the potential in everyday materials, particularly those that might otherwise go to waste. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, we aim to provide you with innovative ideas, practical tips, and step-by-step tutorials that transform industrial and workshop waste into stunning home decor. Join us as we explore the art of upcycling and discover the beauty of sustainable living together. In each episode, you can expect to find an array of projects that highlight the versatility and charm of reclaimed materials. From unique decor pieces to practical items for your home, we'll showcase how easy and rewarding it is to create something beautiful while being mindful of our impact on the planet. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Let's get started on this creative adventure, and together, let's turn waste into wonderful treasures. If you enjoyed the content and found inspiration in our projects, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We appreciate your support, and your likes and shares help spread the word about our mission of sustainability and creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more innovative ideas, tips, and tutorials on turning everyday waste into beautiful home decor. Together, we can make a positive impact and foster a community dedicated to upcycling and creative living. The use of industrial and workshop waste in home decor is becoming an increasingly popular trend driven by a desire for sustainability and uniqueness. As consumers become more eco-conscious, the demand for items that not only serve a functional purpose but also tell a story grows. This approach to design focuses on repurposing discarded materials that would typically end up in landfills, transforming them into stunning decor pieces. The versatility of these materials allows for a wide array of creative expressions, appealing to diverse market segments while encouraging sustainable practices. One of the key advantages of utilizing industrial waste is the inherent character and charm that these materials possess. Items that have served in production or construction carry histories that can be celebrated through their new lives as decor. This age-old quality often cannot be replicated in mass-produced goods, giving handmade creations a unique edge. Consumers increasingly appreciate items with a narrative behind them, fostering emotional connections that drive purchasing decisions. When artisans share the backstory of how their pieces have been created, it invites buyers to invest in more than just a product. It encourages them to embrace a lifestyle focused on sustainability. Transforming these materials requires not only ingenuity but also a thoughtful design approach. Creators can experiment with various techniques and aesthetics, allowing for innovation at every stage. This may involve combining different materials such as wood, metal, glass, and textiles, as each brings its own texture, color, and potential use. By embracing the imperfections often found in reclaimed materials, artisans can craft pieces that highlight craftsmanship while also celebrating the material's origins. This creative flexibility can lead to functional art that captivates consumers. Workshops focused on upcycling industrial waste provide an excellent opportunity for community engagement and learning. By organizing these events, creators can encourage individuals to explore their creativity while emphasizing the importance of sustainability. When participants see firsthand how waste can be transformed into beautiful decor, it fosters a sense of connection and motivation to continue this practice in their own lives. Such collaborative activities also promote the sharing of skills and techniques, further enriching the local creative economy. Storytelling plays a crucial role in marketing upcycled decor. Each piece crafted from industrial waste carries a unique narrative, a journey that can engage potential customers. Artisans can effectively utilize social media platforms to amplify these stories, using engaging visuals and authentic descriptions to attract attention. By showcasing the transformation from waste to artwork, creators can forge stronger emotional connections with consumers, making their products more appealing and desirable. Social media and online marketplaces offer unprecedented access to a global audience for sellers of upcycled home decor. Leveraging these platforms allows creators to showcase their work to a broader audience, emphasizing the dual aesthetic and ecological benefits of their offerings. Engaging content that highlights the creative process, the materials involved, and the final products can captivate potential buyers and generate interest. This digital presence fosters a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate sustainability and creativity, ultimately driving sales. Pricing strategies for unique upcycled decor require careful consideration. Buyers are often willing to invest in handmade, one-of-a-kind items that reflect individuality. When pricing these products, creators must account for the time spent crafting, the quality of materials used, and the value of unique design elements. Establishing a transparent pricing model that communicates the benefits of investing in upcycled products helps to reinforce the worth of these. The potential for seasonal and themed decor crafted from industrial waste also opens up avenues for additional sales throughout the year. By adapting designs to align with holidays, events, and trends, creators can keep their offerings fresh and relevant. This approach allows artisans to innovate continuously while capturing consumer interest during peak shopping seasons. Reinventing traditional decor items with a sustainable twist can effectively resonate with buyers looking for Developing a cohesive brand identity rooted in sustainability and creativity can differentiate products in a crowded marketplace. Strong branding can resonate with consumers who share similar values, fostering loyalty and repeat business. This identity encompasses not just the products themselves but also the stories, visual aesthetics, and overall messaging that define a business. A clear commitment to sustainability and upcycling can position a brand as educating others about the benefits of upcycling and promoting a culture of sustainability is essential for long-term impact. Creators can share knowledge through tutorials, workshops, and online content, inspiring others to engage in similar practices. By fostering awareness about the environmental consequences of waste. In conclusion, the creative use of industrial and workshop waste in home decor not only appeals to consumer trends but also embodies a commitment to sustainable living. By transforming discarded materials into beautiful and functional decor pieces, artisans can create a shift in how society views waste. Through storytelling, community engagement, and robust marketing strategy. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found our content inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share our channel with friends and family. Your engagement helps us grow and encourages us to create even more exciting projects. We